What's up guys, Capono here. Today I'm going to be making a video about something that I get asked about quite often. So I was actually in the gym. So this is obviously going to be a fitness related video. So the question I always get asked is basically, where do I get my shirts from? Or is it a tank, like a store-bought shirt or a true tank top? Or do I cut it? And then the next question is, how do I cut my shirt like that? Because obviously most of my shirts that I wear are all just regular old t-shirts that I cut up. Today I'm gonna make a video for you guys, just showing you guys how to cut it up, get it like that perfect fit that you all want. We're gonna head out today. Me and Rihanna are gonna go to the store real quick. Just gonna go grab a random t-shirt from like Target or something, and just I'm gonna walk you guys through like cutting it all up, okay? And then we're gonna show you how it works out in the gym. Ooh, I wish I looked like this guy. Yeah, definitely. Can't figure out what color I want. Go normal, like gray, red, maroon. We'll find out at the end. Went with a blue. This should work out good. Let's go. Damn. We ended up getting the blue one, like I said. So right now I'm like flattening it out to make sure it's like perfect. Yeah, I haven't taken the tags off. I'm going to do that. Just can't take this back. You know, those poor people always trying to take stuff back. Alright, take this. So other than the middle, taking off the sticker, now I gotta redo it. Lost my track. Alright, let's get these shit on. By the way, this is a size large because I'm extra small. Anyways, it was a cheap shirt. It was like $5, so we can cut it up. Anyways, so I went ahead and did some like nice prepping. You know, I'm gonna get in full detail with this because people always ask me how do I do it. So, give you a quick rundown. I already got pre-dots already on each part of the front, and then also on the back. Basically, you can quick measure it. Bam, right here, 3.5 inches, and you go up to about half of the sleeve. You got 3 inches, and then you got 1 1/4 up there. Yeah, and then we'll do the back in a second. Anyways, I'm gonna show you guys how to do this, and then we'll head on to the back. We're about to do the back. Come check this out. Come here. Come here. Alright. So it's like the same thing right here. So I already put the dots, which you can start to see right there. What I'll do is basically follow up, come in to right there, which when I measured it to the regular one. This is the other side. Yeah. It's 5.5 inches from the middle, basically. So let's go. So I'm gonna follow up, go in, eat, and then back out. It's kind of like a seat. Show my back now. Never tried it on. As look. Alright. So perfect look. I haven't even washed it yet because you know, once you wash it, all this stuff's gonna roll in. It's gonna look like you bought it from the store. And look at the back. Fresh. It's fresh. Alright, so what we're about to do, we're about to go to the gym, try out the shirt, see what you guys think, make a quick clip, and see it in action. Catch you guys there.
I